Alright, let me show you how to make onion juice for hair growth in 5 minutes. Because lately when it comes to hair growth, I've noticed that most people are looking beyond just store-bought products and exploring natural ingredients for their hair. So basically, I grabbed a medium-sized onion, chopped it, put it in the blender, added about half a cup of water, and then blended it and strained it out. I need you to know that onions is packed with nutrients that are beneficial to our scalp and hair follicles. Yes, it has sulfur, which acts as an antibacterial and antifungal stimulant that helps with dandruff and other scalp irritations over time. So here's how I incorporate the onion juice to my hair routine. So after detangling my hair, I apply directly to my scalp, which is already sectioned in twists. Cover it and leave it for about 15 to 20 minutes before shampooing it out. So I personally wouldn't use it as a one-off treatment, especially when I want my hair really thick and I want to achieve the results. Either you want, to reduce the itching on your scalp, or you want to reduce the flex you see few days after wash day, or you just want to thicken your hair in general. Do you get? So yeah, for me, it's one of the things I started doing when I went natural. Then I stopped, and for some reason my hair was feeling a bit different, very thin. I was like, what did I do before that I'm not doing now? So when they say, oh, go back and do the basics, what you did and you were seeing results. So one thing I realized is when I started being natural, my hair was very healthy, and as at then I wasn't really paying attention to what I was doing that worked. I was just seeing things online and wanting to give it a try. So yes, and I'm sure I'm not alone in this. So I want to see in the comments what you did. Well, you started going natural, that you were just going with the flow, you did it impromptu, and sometimes you see difference on your hair but you don't even know which one. So onion juice was part of that for me. So on this day, I felt like elevating my onion juice recipe to like an onion serum. So I just checked my product stash and found this crowns and roots growth tea blend. So it's more like a hair tea, but it has other herbs or carefully selected herbs in it. I'm talking herbs like cloves, fenugreek, stinking nettle. I found hostel in it as well, burdock roots. Amazing carefully selected herbs. So you want to get yours. It's just like a hair tea, but then since I needed to put herbs in it, I just grabbed the tea pack and removed it and turned it in. So you could just message them on any social media platform, Crowns and Roots. I just add that to the description. I went ahead to add my MSM, honey, threw in some essential oils, and because I like to be extra, did you notice I added some amla powder? Yes. So I did the double boiler method for 10 minutes before sieving it out, and if you notice, you'll see that I did a double sieve because I realized the amla powder, the particles had entered the juice. So I needed to make sure that I'm not having those on my scalp. To make sure the application is not messy, I just grabbed my applicator bottle and turn it inside. Now, because this was my first time making this and I was eyeballing everything, I made the mistake of adding the vitamin E oil when I was done with everything. And if you look closely, you see the oil and the water did not mix together because they don't. Anyways, I wasn't about to pour or throw away my onion juice because I got one thing wrong. I told myself I'm going to use it that way. I went ahead, turned it into an applicator bottle and went ahead to use it for wash day. Now for a detailed review on it, I'm going to take my time and explain that in my next post, which is the wash day video. What it smelled like, how it felt on my hair, would I be using it again, how I preserved it. Talking about preservation, you can keep it in your fridge for 3 to 5 days before discarding it, and if you have so much and you want to keep it longer, you can put them in your freezer. So what I would do is get an ice cube tray, pour it inside, make sure it's well frozen, turn them into a Ziploc bag and store them there so that whenever I need to use it, I just pick like 1 cube or 2 cube, let it to defrost and apply it on my scalp. Now this acts as a stimulant that boosts blood flow, and increased blood flow helps your hair grow thicker and wakes up sleepy hair follicles. Now if you've noticed, after I'm done with one section, I take my time to do a scalp massage before going on to the next. And here are some frequently asked questions I get asked when I talk about onion juice for hair. The first is, does it leave a pungent smell on your hair after use? And my answer is no, it doesn't. That is why I use it before shampoo. I'm wondering what, except I'm co-washing my hair, but if I'm using a proper shampoo, I don't expect it to smell, and it doesn't. Have I asked somebody to perceive my hair before? Yes, I have. Second is, do I really need to use it to get my hair thicker? The answer is no. For crying out loud, what if you are allergic to onions or you do not like anything DIY? Exactly. But coming from somebody that used to experience flaking on her scalp a few days after wash day, some itching and scalp irritations, and has even seen the result of it getting my hair thicker, I would always recommend you give it a try. So yeah, I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so that you can get to see more of my DIY videos like this, natural hair tips, wash day videos, and natural hair routines that help you have a long and healthy hair. Before you go, I'd like to know, have you tried onions juice before? What was the result like? Did you see any improvement? Let's get to gist about it in the comments. For now, thank you for subscribing. My name is Esther. I help you achieve your hair goals, and I'll see you on my next one. Toodles.